everybody, it's Ali Floors again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're going to be talking about, Orlando vacations in the summertime. So when you think of an Orlando vacation, you think of the summer, school is out, and so is the sun. So let's explore some Orlando summer events. Now, before we get into all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when these awesome videos show up. Here we go. Orlando is known as a world destination. There are several things to do in Orlando on summer vacation. You probably have heard of Walt Disney World. I mean, who hasn't? But there are several other theme parks here for you and your family to explore. All right, before we get into the theme parks, let's talk about the weather. The sun in Florida is no joke, all right? It's brutal. So bring sunblock, sunglasses, hats, umbrellas, just for sun protection. Now, protect your skin, not just for your health, but having a sunburn on vacation is the absolute worst. It's also gonna rain, okay? So probably every day. So, I don't know, in the afternoon for about an hour, be prepared, okay? Not always, but it is hurricane season, so expect the sky to open up. Now, once you're here, be ready for the crowds. You can have a great time, but there will also be a larger crowd. This is summer break, and lots of families have time off, and they spend it, well, here. Lots of theme parks have ways to help you maneuver the crowds. Staying at theme park hotels can get you in the park early. In fact, Universal gives Express Pass for free if you stay at a premier hotel. You can also purchase passes to shorten your wait at Disney, Universal, and SeaWorld. All right, let's start with Disney. Starting in spring and going into the early summer is the Flower and Garden Festival. Topiaries are designed to look like Disney characters and decorate all of Epcot's World Showcase. There are also kiosks set up where you can sample food and drinks themed around flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Epcot keeps up with festivals later in summer with the very popular Food and Wine Festival. This festival is also in the World Showcase with over 30 kiosks representing different countries. Here you can sample food and drinks that allow you to sample the world. This festival has fun themed merch and scavenger hunts. Yeah, it's cool. Another great experience at Disney is the 4th of July. In Magic Kingdom Epcot, there are large fireworks that celebrate at night, which is way better than those other theme parks that do fireworks during the day. It's way better to do it at night. Both parks have their daily show early and then have a second show themed to Independence Day. These fireworks are extravagant with patriotic music. It can be a busy night, so be patient when maneuvering the parks during that day. Last but not least is the most unsummer event. Yes, Halloween starts in August in Orlando. Who knew? In Magic Kingdom, they throw Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It's a separately ticketed event where the whole family can dress up. You can enjoy Magic Kingdom after the park is closed. Rides are at night, treat trails are all over the park, and live entertainment as well. Enjoy the Spooky Castle show and dance parties. Then, to end the whole night, is a villainous fireworks finale. Now, let's hop over to SeaWorld Orlando. Throughout the summer, they have Electric Ocean. This night party is included with your day ticket and is fun for the whole family. You can dance the day away, glow the night away with a DJ dance party. There are also some fun food and drink booths. There are stilt walkers, dancers, and acrobats. On special nights, they have famous musicians perform, and the night ends with a laser and fireworks show. Later in the summer, SeaWorld also has the Craft Beer Festival. There are booths set up with local craft beer and food to try. You can buy a lanyard that lets you sample items for a little less of a cost. There's also live music on select nights. Just an hour's drive to Tampa is Busch Gardens. During their summer celebration, enjoy entertainment from day to night, including the all-new Quasi Beat show with drums, dancers, stilt walkers. Oh my! Get in the party spirit at 3 DJ locations, catch the return of our fan favorite Cirque Electric show, and end the night with an all-new fireworks and fountain spectacular. Also, to celebrate the summer season, guests ages 21 and up can enjoy 2 complimentary 7-ounce beer samples per day at Pantopia Drinks and Snacks. That's kind of cool. There are several things to do in Orlando for your summer vacation, so let us know if you need help planning your next vacation. Be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the summer. Bye, everybody.